Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a DIY video. So today I am going to make hair setting spray. I make a DIY on hair setting spray because hair setting spray are not found in nearby store and these are little costly in market. So I make cheaper version of this. This give a similar result as a market one. Great part of this hair spray is you only need a one ingredient for this, which is very cheap and you can easily found in your nearby cosmetic store. This spray sets your hairstyle for a long time. This spray sets your curls, create volume on your hair by setting back combing or blow drying, and smooth your baby hair falling out. And not only for girls, this is also for good for boys, especially boys are using uh, hair gel or water in their hair to set their hair, style their hair. So it is a good option to style your hair for boys. For making hair spray you only need two ingredients. This is hair fixer or hard gel. This is super hard hair gel. This is very cheap in market. I buy this in 20 rupees. And the next one is water. I already fill 60 ml of water in this spray bottle. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of hard gel in water. This is normal filter water. Now I am going to shake this properly to dissolve gel in water. Now my hair spray is ready. This spray is good to use for a month in room temperature. If you want to increase a shelf life until 6 months, then use rose water or distilled water instead of normal filter water. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Bye. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.